this definition, force per unit positive charge doesn't mean unit positive charge, doesn't mean positive charge equal to 1. Charge equal to 1 is a very big charge. It cannot be treated as a test charge. Test charge is vanishingly small. So we may tend to think that if Q0 is more, E will be less. If Q0 is less, E will be more. That is wrong. Intensity has nothing to do with the test charge. Test charge is kept there to test the intensity. It has nothing to do with the electric field. The intensity due to a point charge is given by E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon r square. What will be the intensity if the value of test charge is doubled? It will remain same. Suppose this is charge Q and there is electric field due to this charge Q. There is a point P in the electric field which is at a distance r from the charge. Then electric intensity at the point P is given by E is equal to Q upon 4 pi epsilon r square. What is this Q? This Q is the charge which is responsible for the electric field. If you keep a charge Q at the point P, then intensity at the point P will be given by E is equal to F upon Q. What is this Q? That is the test charge which is kept at the point P. So in the formula, this Q is source charge, charge responsible for the electric field. And in this formula, Q is the test charge which is kept there to test the electric intensity. Coulomb's force is inversely proportional to square of the distance, but intensity is not inversely proportional to r square. Intensity is inversely proportional to r square only in the case of a point charge. In other cases, intensity will not be inversely proportional to square of the distance. These are two parallel plates. Plate A is positively charged, B is negatively charged. The distance between the two plates is d, and the potential difference between these two plates is V. If a charge Q is in this space, this charge will experience a force. A will repel it, B will attract it. So if you want to move this charge towards plate A, you'll have to perform work because there is opposition, and wherever there is opposition, you have to perform work. So in order to bring this charge Q from plate B to plate A, you'll have to perform work. That work is given by force into displacement, and by definition of potential difference, V is W upon Q. So the work done is VQ. Comparing these two, we can say that FD is equal to VQ, or F upon Q is equal to V upon D. What is this F upon Q? Force per unit charge is electric intensity, means electric intensity is V by D, means electric intensity is potential per unit distance. This is another definition of electric intensity, and from this definition, another unit for electric intensity will be volt per meter.